A few weeks back, there were rumors that Chebeshit has kicked out his girlfriend and that they're no longer together. Wara wara wara. But I guess that was a lie because yesterday, Chebeshit and his girlfriend were live and they seem very happy. They seem to be fine. So angazi ukuthi la mangabe wasukaphi. Guys, let's stop lying. Tsaka, tsaka, tsaka. UTsaka uyena nje ucambe oze nalamanga la ukuthi uShebeshidi nontombi yakhe bahlukene nani, which has been proven to be a lie because now i-video lana siyababona ba-happy yonke into ihamba right. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know what's hey, let's stop lying. Shebeshita and his girlfriend are still okay, they're still fine, they're still happy, they're still together, as you can see on this video. Yes, that's all I wanted to say. Sharp.
Time swi ri maboso nako track wena manteme oh shit ka time ka motsotso man ayi oh damn it
Makem. Oh, Madonna. I begin to talk about it. If you want to
ay shit so wena Well,
so yeah.
my Ben said beg with you. Yeah, I am bargam malili. Yeah, sir, baby, like Anto, go to time now. Track out. When I want to time, you baby, like I'm getting vest now. Yeah, man, I see the baby, little man. Mama, track, time. You time. Oh shit.
From Benjamin to we all give thanks. Now we're moving to number
Time, Anna. Thanks.
with new dimension. Here it is.
Yeah, time now. Ah, shit. Oh, man. We get them set up. Here we go. We go. Shut us up. Ah, yeah. What's this?
What's a bridge?
I'm not going to ride ones up.
Guys, Limonega. Bye bye.
Now I'll ride ones. I'll ride ones in Jana. Shoot.
Bye, guys.
They're over 2 million. Over 2 million likes some way. The boy got the top. I got a topless motherfucker.
Oh, I aim for 2 million likes, guys.
Yeah, for 2 million.
2 million.
Eh.
Ariane, 2 million. Le bon 1K 1 million le leader le fast jump. Ariane 2 million. Let's go up. Up and above.
I got 2 million again, Chetty.
Ariane, double Ariane, tap her screen, guys. Ariane, yeah? Cat.
You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel, so please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye-bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye-bye, ngiyakuthanda.